This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Place your Apple Watch on its charger and keep your iPhone close with Bluetooth on and connected to Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to General, then Software Update. The app checks for updates automatically. If one appears, tap Download and Install. This step verifies backups and compatibility, so you don't interrupt the process. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode to authorize the download and let the transfer begin. As the update downloads to your iPhone, the Watch app prepares the update package and then transfers it to the Watch. Keep both devices nearby and connected to power and Wi-Fi. You'll see a progress circle on the Apple Watch and status indicators in the Watch app. Do not restart either device mid-transfer. Interruptions can prolong the process. If an app or setting requires attention, follow on-screen prompts. The Watch may reboot several times. That's normal. Let it complete until you see the clock face. When the installation finishes, confirm the new Watch OS version by opening the Watch app and checking General About. Your Watch should display the updated number. If the update stalls or fails, first reboot both the Apple Watch and iPhone and try again. A simple restart often clears transfer errors. If the phone reports insufficient space, remove unused apps or media and reattempt the download. As a last resort, unpair and repair the Watch to force a fresh backup restore, and then apply the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.